If you suspect that your Cash App account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the recovery process. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon. In the Cash App interface, locate and tap on the profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Support. Scroll down and find the Support option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to access help resources related to account issues and suspicious activity. Step 4. Report suspicious activity. In the Support section, look for an option to report suspicious activity or account issues. Follow the prompts to explain the situation and provide any necessary details about the suspicious activity. Step 5. Follow recovery instructions. After reporting the issue, follow the instructions provided by Cash App to verify your identity and regain access to your account. This may include confirming your phone number, email address, or answering security questions. Once you have completed these steps, monitor your account for any further suspicious activity and consider changing your password for added security.